Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Khat arngot ki thai samla ki balapan khre bhai lade ki balong ki nong shong shnong ha ki shnong ba ki kentot ba pero pher jong ka jala Meghalaya ken sai shimanta ban ya ai reng ha karan san ya kop thai bhabreu ya ka balatep kum ka Miss Meghalaya 2020 ya ka ba on sapalong ha ka khatsan trek mantaw banai rempang arajar arpau ha ka shnong bakor ha dauki ka bran markhap bat kari Bangladesh Kasamla Viviani Sayo ka balong ka waini kinong ilam jong ka Meghalaya Tourism Youth Development Society ha ka jikran bar kinong pathai ko bor ha ka khatlai trek mantaw banai rempang arajar arpho kalai tho bayakani karan san yakop on sapalong ha ka shnong bakor dauki ka ban sedang nadu ka por nyo baje jan mi chaneng lai tho ro ba ka samla ka ban yora ye ka nam na do ha ka ni karan san yakop kan yora ro ye ka song pisa ka bakot chilak tengka rengkat ki song jinga sobha na ka company Avon kat ba kinong ikhon ki ba job ha ka kadan ka baar bat balai Kinyo ekasong pisa kabam sanpo hajar bat laipo hajar tingka kentopru ekisong jing asobha bala penkre da ka company Avon.
We'll be having a fashion show by NIF Shillong in partners with NIF Shillong. That is, the students of NIF will be displaying their attires in the pageant. Also, we have food will be provided by the Chatty Gents. They are two chefs from Shillong. They call themselves the Chatty Gents. Also, we have Sadar Zain Nomri. He's an entertainer. He's an 8-year-old, a 10-year-old child who's performed everywhere out in Shillong. See, when it comes to pageant shows, people will travel. In fact, from Arunachal, your friend is traveling all the way from Arunachal. It's not about number one, why we're choosing Dauki, because it's warm. Number two, we want to promote tourism. All right. Number three. This is not the first time, it's the second, in fact, this is the fourth time we've had this pageant over there, okay? And also, it's not about the place, usually once you see the title, it's Miss Meghalaya, no matter where you have it, in the suburbs or the rural areas or even in the city for that matter, people will come. There are 3 girls coming from Arunachal Pradesh who's confirmed the reservation for the event itself, because it's the title that matters. Why are people coming? Because, like I said, it's growth. Miss Meghalaya has growth from one stage to the next. It's not just the crown, not just the title, not just the sash, but you get exposure. In fact, Sanwaka did that last year for us, and I'm sure she's had a wonderful experience. She was in the top 5, in fact, for Miss Teen India.
Even last year I had come to judge the show, and we selected 2 contestants for the national exposure, where they got a chance to participate in Glamour Supermodel, which is a preliminary competition to select girls for Miss International, which is the 3rd biggest pageant of the world, and Miss Multinational, which is one of the pageant which is held in India, where females from across the world, they come and participate here. So these are the 2 pageants. We will be selecting 1 girl from Meghalaya who will take part there, and 1 is in teen category. So girls who are below 18, we are giving them a chance to compete in Miss Teen International India. Teen International India, we own that pageant, and similarly like Multinational, girls from across the world, they come and they participate. So the winner of Miss Teen International India will be participating in Miss Teen International. So 1 representative from Meghalaya in Glamour Supermodel and 1 representative in Miss Teen India. So the motive behind this collaboration is we had the meeting with the members of Miss Meghalaya organization, is to give exposure to girls from Shillong or Meghalaya as in a whole. Because usually pageants happen and they give you cash prize, they give you crowns and sash, and further they do not get any opportunities to learn, to explore, and to be someone, to have that title. So that's the reason we have collaborated, and this is why this exposure and this competition is taking place.
Quite an experience where it gives me a platform where I can interact with these beautiful young girls from the state. I mean, knowing them personally, it was nice, and being a part in building their future, and then helping them to in their stepping stones towards their dreams is just a privilege. And also, when it comes to grooming, there's not just about makeup or hair. I mean, there's so much which we learned. Right, how do we talk, how do we smile, how do we sit? So that's what we've been doing for the last 10 days, and it's been a lovely experience.
So I'm hoping that like this journey, like friendship I've made with them, that it will not stop here. I'll talk to them like out of this like pageant, we'll be in contact, and I wish them all the very best so that on the final they'll give their best, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
So my experience as a beauty pageant queen has been phenomenal. I got the opportunity to travel here for the first time to Meghalaya, and I'll be traveling to see many more girls like this. And exactly a year ago I was right here sitting, and I'm sure next year one of you will be sitting here. So I think you just have to imagine it, and you will get there. And I think it's actually once in a lifetime opportunity, so make the most of it and make friends for lifetime. And I'm sure this beauty pageant is not just about a competition, but it's about making relationships and contacts which will last lifelong. The reason I won was not because of my height. I'm not that tall, I'm not that fair, I'm not that I was average in everything, but the moment I am on stage, and the moment I talk to people, the way I talk, the way I hold people's attention whenever I'm talking, I'm sure you're listening to me right now. That's the reason I think I won the pageant, because I think when I can talk to people and communicate my thoughts clearly, the message is just, people can connect to me, and every girl is not that pretty, and every girl is not that tall, so every girl should be relating to me. So I think they've made me win so that each and every ordinary girl can aspire to become a beauty pageant.